Okay, so now that we are done po with the future value of a simple ordinary annuity, ang hahanapin naman po natin is the present value of a simple ordinary annuity. Paano po ba natin mahahanap sa present value of a simple ordinary annuity? Meron lang din po tayong formula po na susundan. Po, so kung kanina po, meron tayong F is equal to R multiplied by the quantity of 1 plus j raised to n minus 1 divided by j. Ngayon naman po ang susundan po natin formula for the present value of a simple ordinary annuity is P is equal to R multiplied by 1 minus 1, multiplied by 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus j raised to negative n all over or divided by j. Yan, wag po kalilito ha. This is the formula po for the simple present value of a simple ordinary annuity. Wherein si P, ano ba si P? Siyempre po, siya po si present value. Okay, present value. And R is still the regular payment. Magkano po ba ang binabayad niya? Kada interval. The regular payment. And J is still the interest rate per period. Again, si interest rate per period po, siya po ay nakukuha from dividing the interest rate per annum by the number of conversions. Okay. And then N po is still the number of payments. Magkano po ba ang babayaran niya lahat-lahat sa buong term ng kanyang annuity? Number of payments. So yan po ang ating formula. Let us try to solve the present value of the same problem kanina na ginawa po natin sa ating future value. Follow lang po natin yung formula. Again, the problem is your family plans to save 10,000 pesos a month for your house renovation in a fund that gives you 9% annual interest compounded monthly. The question now is, how much is the present value of your savings at the end of the month? Po, same problem po tayo. Yung kanina pa rin po. Pero ang hahanapin naman natin ngayon is the present value. Kung magkano daw ang pera at the end of the month. At the end of 6 months, sabi niya. Po. So, following the formula, let us try to find the present value of the annuity. Susulat natin, present value. Meron na ba? Wala pa. Ito pang hinahanap natin. Okay? And regular payment, magkano po ba ang binabayad niya per interval? Meron pa rin po tayo 10,000 pesos. Next, so again po, si interest rate per period, makukuha po natin siya from dividing the interest rate per annum by the number of conversions. So katulad pa rin po kanina, same pa rin po yun. Meron tayong 9% divided by 12. Kasi monthly po ang kanyang conversion. Sabi dyan, annual interest compounded monthly. So ilan po ba ang months natin per year or per annum? Meron tayong 12. So convert it into decimal, 0.09 divided by 12, and following the operation we will have 0.0075. And lastly, the number of payments. Magkano po ba ang ilang beses po ba siya magbabayad sa buong term? Ilang beses po ba siya magbabayad? Based on our problem, sabi niya doon, hanggang kailan siya magbabayad? 6 months. So, 6 pa rin po ito. Okay. So now let us apply the formula. Substitute all the given values sa ating pong formula for the present value. So P is equal to R. What is R? Regular payment. That is 10,000 pesos. Multiplied by, maglagay tayo ng bracket na para hindi nakakalito. Kasi kanina nakakalito siya, walang bracket. Multiplied by constant 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus J. What is J? 0.0075. Sorry. 0.0075 raised to negative n. So negative n is equal to 6, negative 6 divided by J. So what is J? 0.0075. Okay. So following again the formula using GEMDAS, P is equal to, bring down 10,000. Unahin natin yung lahat ng nasa loob ng grouping symbols muna. Po. So meron tayong 1 minus 1 plus 0.0075. Syempre po, that is still 1.0075 raised to negative 6 divided by 0.0075. Okay. So, anong uunahin po natin dyan? Syempre po, following the GEMDAS, i-raise muna natin siya sa kanyang exponent. So, sabi dyan, raised to negative 6. Kapag nag-solve po kayo using calculator, huwag nyo pong kakalimutan po si negative sign. So, ayan siya. Okay, so 1.0075, hindi makita. 1.0075 raised to negative 6, that is 0.9561580177. Ito po. Again, sa ating formula po, sa ating solution, ang sulat lang po, 4 decimal places. Up to 4 decimal places po. Na para mas accurate po. Kaya mag-focus. Okay, so bring down 10,000 multiplied by 1 minus 1.0075 raised to negative 6. Ilan po yung nakuha natin? 0.9562. Apo. I-round off lang po natin, no? Up to 4 decimal places. Divided by 0.075. Okay. Again, following the operation using GEMDAS, subtract muna natin. 1 minus 0.9562. Ilan po ang makukuha natin doon? We will have 0.0438. Ito po. Gamitin lang po ang calculator na. Okay. Divided by 0.0075. Ay, sorry, mali. Peso sign. P is equal to 10,000 pesos multiplied by, divide natin, 0.0438 divided by 0.0075. Ilan po ang makukuha natin? We will have 5.8456. Okay, so this is rounded off na po. Rounded off na po yan. Sunod, lastly, follow the operation. Since parenthesis yan, multiply lang po natin. 5.8455976327. Yun po yung kabuuan ng sagot natin. Ito po ay rounded off to the up to 4 decimal places lang. So, minultiply lang po natin by 10,000. Ilan po nakuha natin? We will have 58,455.98. Okay? Ibig sabihin, the future value ng kanilang savings is, the present value of their savings po para sa kanilang pamilya is 58,455.98 pesos. Okay. So the final answer, the present value is equal to 58,455.98 pesos. Okay? Again po, sa final answer po natin, 2 decimal places na lang po tayo. So, formula po as a solution, 4 decimal places po ang kukunin. Final 2, solution 4. Okay, so the present value of the annuity is 58,455.97 pesos. And that is how you solve for the present value of a simple ordinary annuity. Boss, if you have any questions, mag-message lang po kayo sa GC para masagot ko po. Wag na po mag-PM or wag na po mag-DM, direct message, kasi kadalasan po ay natatabunan po siya ng iba pa pong group chats, kaya hindi po ako nakakapag-reply sa inyo agad. Okay? Hindi ko po siya nakikita agad-agad. So, sa group chat na lang po kayo mag-message. Again, review tayo. This is how you get, or this is how you find the present value of a simple ordinary annuity. Follow lang na po ng formula. P is equal to R multiplied by 1 minus the quantity of 1 plus J raised to negative N divided by J. Wherein P is the present value, R is the regular payment, kung magkano ba ang binabayad niya per interval, J is the interest rate per period, and makukuha natin si interest rate per period by dividing the interest rate per annum by the number of conversions. Okay? Huwag pong kakalimutan itong si J ha, baka malito kayo. Si J po, hindi po siya automatically si interest rate per annum, magkaiba po yun. I-divide pa po natin by the number of conversions. Para makuha po natin sa interest rate per period. And then N is the number of payments, ilang beses po siya magbabayad throughout the term ng kanyang annuity. And then follow lang po the formula, substitute all the given values, and then follow the operation using GEMDAS, and then you will arrive at the present value of your simple ordinary annuity. Okay? Okay na po. Thank you and goodbye.